Hi, I'm Brooklyn Jan. I'm 9 years old and I just woke up. I have very curly hair and I know what you're thinking. It looks very messy. Luckily, there's Mixed Chicks, which helps me a lot with my curly hair. I've been using Mixed Chicks since I was 2 years old. My mom recently had a baby and I had to learn how to do my hair by myself. But Mixed Chicks helped me. First I'm going to be using conditioning, cleansing, co-wash. I love this because it's co-wash, and that means I don't have to shampoo my hair and then condition it right after because it's all in one. It smells so good. Gonna use about that much. Gonna rub it together, put it all through my hair. I'm gonna spray it a little bit because my hair needs to be wet. Look at how much better it looks already. Now I have to go wash this out. Be back. I'm back, and look at how clean my hair looks now. It's so clean and fresh. Now we're going to use Mixed Chicks Leave-In Conditioner. I love this because it really helps define my curls and makes my hair look really smooth. Just gonna squeeze that on. Rub it together and just move it all around on the top, the edges, and the bottom, maybe a little bit underneath. Gonna brush through it. Smooth. When you're done with that, you're going to put in the Mixed Chicks Hair Silk Serum. I'm going to squeeze that on, rub it together, of course. Now, usually I either air dry it or use a diffuser. This time I'm going to let it air dry. I'll be back when it's all dry. Bam! Look at these curls. So, where we left off was when we put in the hair silk, which makes my hair silky smooth and takes out all the frizz. Thanks, Mixed Chicks. I love you.